Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the Google Pixel 4 XL. So here I'm going to make a call, and on the incoming call, you can either answer the call or reject the call. To answer a call, you want to swipe up like that, and that will allow you to answer a call. To end a call, tap on the end button. And if you want to reject an incoming call, you would want to slide down the button. So here, touch and hold on the button and swipe down, and this will allow you to decline incoming call. And that's it. So that is how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the Google Pixel 4 XL. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.